guys, it's Jacob. In this one, I want to recommend to you or make a case to you that you should find your deep work space. Okay, here's what I mean. Recently, made a change, a couple of months now, actually. I live down, where are we? Like down that way on the beach in a sick apartment. And it's massive and it's beautiful and I love it. But I've got a 15-month-old and I got another baby on the way, and it just became a little bit too tricky to work from. It was a beautiful office at home, big screen, bookcases filled with all the books, big comfy chair, big sit stand. It's all set up, it's sweet, it's amazing. And I still work from home, mornings, night, when he's asleep, Feliana's sleeping, and it's an amazing office. It's beautiful. Anyway, I've rented this little space here. You can see this is the grand tour. White walls, grey, second desk. Some people come and work in here sometimes. It's tiny, right? It's cheap. Costs me like $1,200 a month. Pretty nice view. You can see the ocean. You can see the whales jumping around out there the other day. But this is my deep work space. I'm not in here all day, every day. I come in here and I put my head down and I get a few hours of deep work done. If I'm got really important calls with one client or multiple clients, writing content, creating content, strategizing and planning, building presentations, managing my investments. Whenever I need really deep focused time in the middle of the day, this is where I am. If I'm out doing meetings or I'm traveling or I'm with Liana and Hendrik and I'm on the go, I manage things on my phone or take my laptop and work from coffee shop or whatever. But this is my deep focused space. No one interrupts me. It's just my zone, right? And it doesn't need to be flashy. As you can see, it's tiny. But when I step in here, I work, right? And it's head down. When I come in here, I'm always clear on exactly what I need to get done. I'm not sitting in here twiddling my thumbs. When I'm done, I'm out. When I'm in, I'm working. And you've got to find that space for you. You've got to find that environment for yourself. Somewhere that the energy is work. The energy is get shit done. The energy is focus and clarity. Better if it's no frills. You can get more done in 2 hours than most people get done in 20. You have your clear list. Boom, 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 boom. Tick it off. Move on. Now to make this happen, to make this useful, you need a really clear vision about what you're building. If you don't have that, you're not going to be able to figure out the core principles that you need to align to build. And that's going to mean you can't figure out the strategies, and that's going to mean you can't figure out the tactics. Okay? So you got to build it from the top down. But when you've got those things in place, if you want to skyrocket your productivity, find your focus zone. Build a place where you can go. The rest of the world almost stops. You can close the door. You can lock the door. It's the right temperature. It's the right environment. It's lean. It's simple. It's no frills, and you can just crank and get it done and bring that vision to life. Right. So I got the beautiful office at home. I love it. I do a bit of work there in the morning, work there at night if I want to, on the weekends, sometimes during the day. But this is my bland, no frills, not at all sexy, get shit done space. Highly recommend that you get one for yourself. Talk to you soon.